Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'll be reviewing KAYLEE by Jon Renau in the color Chocolate Cherry. I'd like to thank Andrea and Wigstudio1 for providing KAYLEE for me to review for you. This is brand new to Jon Renau. This is from the Smart Lace collection. I recorded the unboxing for Wigstudio1. I will leave that video linked for you down below in case you want to see what KAYLEE looks like right out of the box, but I had to review it for you as well. This color, first of all, Chocolate Cherry. The very first wig that I purchased was Scarlet by Jon Renau, and it was in this color Chocolate Cherry. This is one of my favorite dark brunette colors. If you have dark hair, you want just a little bit of something dynamic, and this is perfect. This is absolutely perfection. I love this color. It almost seems like we've spent tons of money at the beauty salon getting this color done. The color code on Chocolate Cherry is FS2V 31V. The 2V is a black brown base, but it has that violet. It leans violet. So this is I would say it's a cool color. I don't think there's any warmth to this, but I'm not real good with the cool and the warms. And then the 31V is your violet red, or your red violet, and those are your bold highlights that we have. We have a beautiful dynamic color. If you love colors such as 1B Burgundy by Tressolure, you love Vogue by Estetica, you will absolutely love Chocolate Cherry. This is right along the same lines. The difference between them is almost non-existent. They are very compatible. So if you want to step over to the Jon Renau line and you wear one of those colors, I think that you would absolutely love Chocolate Cherry. And if you're a brunette and you just want to add a little bit more pizzazz to your color, I think Chocolate Cherry will be the answer for you. KAYLEE is brand new to the Jon Renau line, and I was so happy that we were able to get it. Only a few retailers were given the opportunity to carry this Smart Lace collection. I believe there are 5 styles, but I'm not positive. KAYLEE has a lace front, a single monofilament top, and it has a hand-tied cap. So we have lots of bells and whistles on this one. The front on KAYLEE, the bang is 7.75, but if you wanted to add a bang to it, you can certainly do that with such an ease. I think that there are layers here that the manufacturer at the time that I'm recording this did not provide yet. We have a crown of 12.5. We have the sides of 11. Nape is 7, and KAYLEE weighs only 3.7 ounces. So this is a very light piece. We don't have any permatease whatsoever in KAYLEE, and we have a nice average density. This style almost looks as if you took a crimping iron. You know what I'm talking about, that has those grooves on it, and that's what you dried it with. So we don't have any, these aren't beachy waves, not really. I guess they could be beachy waves. They're certainly not curls. We just have some crimpy waves. Looks really cool. I really love this style. I was ecstatic. When I did the unboxing for Wigstudio1, I was ecstatic when I put this one on, because I think it's perfect. I'm going to throw on a pair of jeans. I'm going to throw on some low booties, and I'm going to go get my shopping done. Very, very casual type of style. You're not going to give the impression as I just left the hair salon, unless you just went to get your hair dyed and did nothing for the rest of it. I'll show you the lace front. We do have a little bit of knotting, which is to be expected of this darker color, but I think Jon Renau did a nice job adding some of the red fibers to the front. There's not an awful lot, but there are some highlights. I think that is really to be expected of these dark colors. What really surprised me was the coverage. As you know, I have a very low hairline, and look at the coverage on here. These ear tabs come all the way down to, that's the hair. The ear tabs come down to here, and here is my hairline. So it's minimal showing of my hairline is what I mean. Really, really pretty. We can wear it with a headband. I really like this one. Just saying. I really like this one. I love a lot of things about it. I love the cap. I love the no permatease. I love the average density. I love the style. You know, I love my messy styles, and this one is perfect. If you wanted to put a little clip there, you could do that. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see. Oh, let me show you Kaylee on all sides. I'm so excited to show you the color. Here's the side. And the back. I'm not going to be taking this one off today. I can tell you that right now. I am going to finish. This will be on my rotation is where this one is going to be. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see Chocolate Cherry in the daylight, and then I'll show you the cap, and then I'll come back. And there is your lace front, single monofilament top, our ear tabs. We have a non-extended nape, Velcro adjusters, right there, Velcro adjusters. We have the hand-tied cap. It has some stretch to it, but as you can see, I'm wearing a wig grip, a cap. I've got bio hair, and I've got 21.75 circumference, and that way you can gauge how it may fit on you. I'll give you a little close-up of the color. Beautiful. I love this color. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Let me know what you think about this brand new style from Jon Renau KAYLEE in the color Chocolate Cherry. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.